Looking at the Ritz, the nightingale sang in Barbary Square. The moon that lingered over London town, what was a moon? He wore a frown. How could he know to us so in love? The whole world seemed upside down. The streets of town paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And we kissed, said goodbye. The nightingale